Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install WeChat in your Windows laptop or PC, and this method works for both Windows 10 and 11. So first you are going to type here in the search and you are going to search for store, and you will find the option Microsoft Store. You open it, then here in the search bar you are going to type WeChat, you click enter, and here as you can see you will find it here, the official application, and it is completely free. You just click here and you click on install, and after it finishes the application will be completely installed in your laptop. You can open it, log in, and you can use it as you want. And after you finish, if you didn't find it here in your desktop, you just click on the search, you search for WeChat and you find it. You can either create a shortcut for your desktop or you can pin it to the taskbar and it will be right next to those applications. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.